Mbote na yo! Sango nini? Hi guys, welcome back on another lesson from Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you're here for the first time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future video upload. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to say the 7 days of the week in Lingala. I promise that after watching this video, it's gonna be easier for you to say the 7 days in Lingala. But before I start this video, I want to thank all of you for the support because this channel has been approved by YouTube for being monetized. So now when you watch our videos, you will be seeing some ads, and please don't skip them. Watch the ad, and that's how you guys can support this channel to grow and for us to make some money. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. I want you to know that day in Lingala is said mokolo, mokolo, or mukolo, mukolo. This one is mostly used in Kinshasa. And days in Lingala is mikolo, mikolo. That's plural. A week in Lingala is mposo, mposo, mposo. Weeks, plural, in Lingala are bamposo, bamposo, bamposo. Weekends in Lingala is said suka ya mposo, suka ya mposo. A month in Lingala is sanza, sanza. Sanza also in Lingala means moon. So if you want to say moon, it's also sanza. Month, plural, in Lingala is basanza, basanza. Year in Lingala is mbula, mbula. Mbula also means rain. Years in Lingala is bambula, bambula. That's plural. And ya is a preposition in Lingala that means of in English, sorry. Ya means of. So you're gonna see that. I know why I gave you this before, because that will help you to know how to say the 7 days in Lingala. So let's learn this in the next slide. Hey guys, please go ahead if you haven't subscribed yet, and like this video, please share with your friends and your families. Okay, let's continue. In Lingala, it's very easy to say the 7 days of the week compared to any other languages. Believe me, it's very easy, so you will learn this after you finish watching this video. But let's learn the structure that you guys need to follow to say a day in Lingala. The first thing you need to know is a day or mokolo, followed by the preposition ya, which means of, and then followed by the position or the order that day occupies in the week in Lingala. For example, Thursday is the fourth day of the week, right? Okay. Thursday in Lingala will be said mokolo ya, the preposition, mine. Mine is 4 in Lingala. Okay? 4 in Lingala means mine. So you just need to say mokolo, which is day of mine, right? 4th day, or mokolo ya mine. Easy. Monday, mokolo ya yambo. Mokolo ya yambo. The first day. Tuesday, mokolo ya mibale. Mokolo ya mibale. Mokolo ya mibale. Wednesday is mokolo ya misato. Mokolo ya misato. Thursday, mokolo ya minei. Mokolo ya minei. Friday, mokolo ya mitano. Mokolo ya mitano. Friday. Saturday, mokolo ya motoba. Mokolo ya motoba or mokolo ya mposo. Mokolo ya mposo. Saturday. Sunday, mokolo ya lomingo. Mokolo ya lomingo or mokolo ya eyenga. Mokolo ya eyenga. Sunday.
Oi, 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 oi.
This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy, or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time.